Hey everyone, the Anker Soundcore Select 4 Go is a budget-friendly Bluetooth speaker developed to offer solid sound quality, long battery life, and reliable durability. Priced at just $24.99 in the US and £22.49 in the UK, this speaker delivers remarkable value for money, especially for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone looking for a reliable speaker on the go. The Soundcore Select 4 Go is equipped with a 1.75-inch full-range driver that outputs 5 watts of audio. Despite its compact dimension, the sound it delivers is surprisingly clear and balanced, with good mid-range performance. It also offers customizable EQ options, allowing users to adjust the sound profile via the Soundcore app to suit their preferences. Whether you prefer more bass or crisper treble, the adjustable EQ is a nice touch for a speaker at this price point. Featuring Bluetooth 5.4, the Soundcore Select 4 Go ensures stable connectivity within a range of 30 meters, which is excellent for outdoor use. The signal strength remains reliable across this range, even when walls or obstacles are present. The speaker has an IP67 rating, meaning it's both dustproof and waterproof. This makes it a great companion for trips to the beach, hiking, or any outdoor activities where the speaker may be exposed to the elements. Additionally, the buttons are rated for up to 3,000 presses, adding to its ruggedness. One of the standout features of the Select 4 Go is its 20-hour battery life on a single charge, which is impressive for its dimension. Even after 300 charge cycles, Anker claims the battery retains 95% of its capacity, suggesting long-term durability. This makes it ideal for long outdoor excursions without worrying about recharging. The speaker comes with true wireless stereo functionality, allowing you to pair two Select 4 Go speakers for a broader stereo sound experience. It also comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, making it easy to charge with standard chargers. The Select 4 Go is available in blue, black, and white, with purple and green variants expected soon. While compact and portable, its appearance is straightforward, with a minimalist look that prioritizes functionality. However, it doesn't come with a carry strap or handle, which may be a slight inconvenience for those wanting to clip or carry it hands-free. When compared to the JBL Go 3, a similarly priced portable speaker, both have their strengths and weaknesses, particularly in terms of sound quality, durability, and portability. The JBL Go 3 offers a slightly more powerful sound with more bass punch, making it a better option for those who enjoy loud music in outdoor settings. However, the Anker Soundcore Select 4 Go holds its own with clear mids, and the ability to customize the EQ for a personalized listening experience. If you prefer volume and bass, the JBL Go 3 might be the better pick. For more balanced sound and flexibility, Anker Select 4 Go is a worthy alternative. The Anker Soundcore Select 4 Go outshines the JBL Go 3 in battery life, with a robust 20 hours of playback, compared to the JBL Go 3's 5 hours. If extended battery life is a priority, Anker's offering is the clear winner. The JBL Go 3 typically retails around $39, making it more expensive than the Anker Soundcore Select 4 Go at $24. For budget-conscious customers, the Anker Soundcore Select 4 Go provides exceptional value, especially considering its longer battery life and customizable sound settings. The Anker Soundcore Select 4 Go is an excellent budget Bluetooth speaker for users looking for solid sound quality, great battery life, and outdoor durability. While it lacks some of the portability and aesthetic flair of the JBL Go 3, its customizable EQ and long battery life give it an edge in terms of functionality. On the other hand, the JBL Go 3 is more stylish, smaller, and offers a louder sound output, making it the better choice for those who prioritize portability and volume over battery life. Both speakers are great options for under $50, and your choice will depend on what you prioritize more, battery life and customization with Anker Soundcore Select 4 Go, or portability and louder output with JBL Go 3. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I hope you subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.